Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2023 GMC Terrain SLE featured in volcanic red tint coat with a black interior. Under the hood there's a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power park brake, power moonroof, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as heated seats. Some safety features include forward collision alert, hill descent control, lane keep assist, a backup camera, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows, and our powered mirrors. We also have the child lock button right there. There are the trunk controls with some storage below and our speaker. To the left of the driver's seat, we have our power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats. We can go ahead and step inside. Just to the left when we get inside, we have our lighting controls with the dial as well as our power park brake. We can go ahead and start up the vehicle now. There's the cluster in the middle. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls as well as our Bluetooth controls. To the left, we have our cruise control as well as the forward collision alert. We can go ahead and take a look at the infotainment screen here and check out our radio. We have AM and FM as well as Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone for Bluetooth. Right here is where we can connect a phone. And we also have the navigation. And we can check out the backup camera. Below it are the controls for the infotainment screen, and below that we have our dual zone climate control. Down here we have a USB-C and USB plug-in as well as an aux and a 12-volt. 2 cup holders in the middle, and here we have our heated seats for both driver and passenger as well as hill descent control and lane keep assist. Here's the center console. We can go ahead and take a look at that. There's a little storage spot right here and more storage below as well as 2 USB plug-ins. We can take a look at the rear view mirror. Just above that, we have the OnStar and SOS, as well as 2 dome lights, a sunglasses holder, and the moonroof controls. And there is the moonroof. And there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are our wheels, Terrain badge along the bottom, black mirror caps, as well as color-matched door handles with keyless entry and privacy tint on the rear windows. Make our way to the back, and we can open it up by simply double clicking. Plenty of storage space back here, a 60-40 seat split, and the seats can drop down by just pulling these. We also have some extra storage below. To close her up, all we have to do is push the button and it closes up for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with power windows, some storage, and our speaker. Here we can take a look at the seats. You can step inside. Right when we get inside in the middle here, the main rear vents, as well as 2 USB plug-ins, and all the way down below that, we also have a 3-prong. To the top of the doors, we have a handle with dome lights on either side, as well as speaker tweeters. And if we check out the middle here, we can pull this down to reveal an armrest / cup holder. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 GMC Terrain SLE. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.